Hi friends, and welcome to share another historically inspired moment together. Today I will present you my new Viking spice kit. And here we go. Today I'd like to introduce you to my last piece of history creation. This is my new spice kit. The leather pouch is made from an archeological finding in Russia. I entirely made it by myself. So friends, here we are. This is my ancient Rus inspired spice kit. In this box I put a mix of salt and pepper. It's quite a common model in Northern Europe and ancient Rus. It's made from a deer antler. I ordered it and only replaced the leather part, which was of poor quality. In this one I put some dried herbs. It's made from bone. I also ordered it, but I made all the metallical part by myself. And this tiny one is far from being the most beautiful spoon in the world, but it's actually the first object I ever carved, and it has never left me since then. And here we are. That was our ancient Rus / Viking inspired spice kit. Don't forget to put a like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and above all, never forget, if you want to enjoy the present, stay connected to the past.